In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WordPress error 153 quickly and easily. If you're trying to embed a YouTube video on your WordPress website, and instead of the video playing, you see a message that says Error 153, Video Player Configuration Error, don't worry. This is a common issue, and the fix is actually very simple once you understand what's causing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this error happens and how to fix it in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress fixes and website tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do that by going to yourdomain.com/wpadmin and entering your login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, we're going to identify where the issue is happening. Now, open the page where your YouTube video is embedded. This could be a post or a page. Visit the live version of that page on your website so you can actually see the error. You'll likely notice the YouTube player attempts to load, and then it displays Error 153. So what exactly is happening here? Error 153 is a standard YouTube iframe error. It usually appears when YouTube does not receive referrer information from your website. In simple terms, your website is not identifying itself properly to YouTube. There is typically a meta tag in your site's header that looks like this: meta name equals referrer, content equals no referrer. When this setting is present, your website is telling the browser not to send referrer information to external services. So when YouTube tries to load the video, it sees that the request has no identity attached to it. Because of that, YouTube refuses to serve the video and displays Error 153. To fix this, we need to change that referrer policy. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where the issue exists. Click Edit. If you're using the block editor, switch to the code view or check your theme settings if the meta tag is being injected globally. Look for the line that says meta name equals referrer and content equals no referrer. Once you find it, simply change the content value from no referrer to always, so it should now read content equals always. What this does is instruct the browser to always send referrer information when making requests. In other words, your website now shows its ID card to YouTube, and YouTube is happy to serve the video. After making this change, click Update to save your page. Now go back to the front end of your website and refresh the page. If everything was done correctly, the YouTube video should now load and play without any errors. And that's it. You've successfully fixed WordPress Error 153. Just to recap quickly, the issue happens because your site is hiding referrer information using the no referrer policy. Changing it to always allows YouTube to verify where the request is coming from, which removes the error and restores video playback. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides, tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.